Alright, so I need to pee. I need to get out of the room. But like, Teffy's blocking the door, dude. We're trapped. Jaydee Alberto, dude. Have a channel, do a link down below. What's up, guys? Arvin, Concepcion, aka Concepcion, is back again with another weekly vlog. And this week is very special for our school because it is University Week, and this is where a variety of competitions are held, either academic or sports related. And I'm not competing in any of them because I'm not smart or sporty. So I'm just gonna cover the opening, which is today. So let's go. A momentous occasion. Right now I'm with Teffy. He bought how many samosas? How many samosas did you buy, dude?
Well, there's 10 in here, then there's I've had 8 there's 4 more here, so I guess 25. I mean no, 15.
15 samosas.
Yeah.
Amazing. Woo. That's right, guys, my braces are finally off. Such an amazing feeling. Like, I can't stop smiling, I can't stop looking at my teeth. And I remember my first ever weekly vlog where I talked about how I wanted my braces off before 2017 ended. And luckily, they were removed before graduation pictures. The removal process took 1 hour. They had to take out the brackets individually, which kind of felt like my teeth were going to be removed as well. Then they had to grind away the solidified glue, and this is the result. This is the result of years of braces, and I'm just happy with the results. And of course I'm going to be getting retainers, but from here until I get retainers, I'm going to be braceless. And let's just take a look at people's reactions to this new look.
Let me see you. Wow! Wow! Big improvement, man.
Oh!
Let me see. Wow. Oh shit!
Yeah.
Why?
They're supposed to be off.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you notice I don't have braces?
Oh my god, oo nga! Oh my god!
Y'all know something different? No braces! Oh! Yeah.
Dude, I was looking at your picture, I was like, this looks different.
Is it true?
No, it's fake. Oh, you know, what kind of friend are you? You don't even notice? Do you notice anything different?
In and out, jersey.
No, do you notice anything different?
Your haircut?
No.
You shaved?
No.
Got taller?
No. I'm literally showing it to you.
You?
Oh my god.
What?
My braces are off.
I didn't know this.
Okay, so today we're gonna have our graduation pictures, and I never understood why we're gonna take our graduation pictures really early before graduation. Like, are we gonna even graduate till then, or am I gonna graduate? Am I? So yeah, we're gonna be taking our graduation pictures today. We're gonna be taking the formal ones with the toga and our creative shots, and yeah. Time to take my toga picture. Just finished my formal shot. Next is the creative shot. Alright, what I'm going for with this creative shot is basically sort of Casey Neistat type of vibe, because of course I'm a vlogger and I have nothing else to give. So of course I have the sunglasses, got the jacket, and of course I'm going to be posing with this whole setup, the camera and the GoPro pod. So let's just see how that looks. I don't know if I can show you guys, but if I can't, sorry. Hey, we just finished our creative shot. Oh, it's loud.
Hi.
this whole thing vlogging.
Yeah. Can I have a beer while holding it?
Let's go.
It's my creative shot.
That's your creative shot?
Yes! My
Hey.
creative shot! Ready to be unemployed!
Happy birthday, Yod! Yeah, I'm 35. Did you notice that when it's on 35 on these cameras, they're not as close up because they're all full frame? Alright boy, let's go vlog. There's no flip screen though. This is huge, dude.
Bro.
Can you imagine vlogging with this?
So guys.
Dude, guys, what's up? They look like they're Canon mounts, but it's so small. Yeah man, this place, Pure Gold, duty free. All the vintage stuff you can think of. Yeah, man. Woo. Experience. I can't talk properly with this retainers. That was a nice experience at the Pure Gold here at Duty Free Clark. And yeah, if you love vintage cams, either if you want to use them or collect them.
I don't think you can use them.
Yeah, I don't think you can use them, but if you want to collect them, go there. And if you want to see like other vintage stuff, then go there as well.
Vintage stuff.
Right now we're gonna do a photo shoot for Vince, and check out there. Okay, we're here at an abandoned McDonald's, right across from the abandoned hospital. We're gonna do the photo shoot. Well, I lost battery, even though I know I charged this one. So I guess we're done with the photo shoot. So yeah, so stay tuned for this photo shoot, which will be posted on my Instagram and my Facebook page, which are both linked down below. And subscribe to his channel, even though he doesn't upload anything. So yeah, that's the end of this photo shoot. That's the end of this weekly vlog. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next weekly vlog. Peace out. Here Sunday, 6 p.m. Peace. Before I sign out, we're on top of the abandoned McDowell rooftop, and yeah, this is about to fall. Oh! Alright, peace.